Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Tortilla Maker is probably one of the most exciting kitchen gadgets you can own. If you're a fan of fresh, homemade tortillas, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of electric tortilla makers, exploring their features, ease of use, and of course, the delicious results. Get ready to say goodbye to store-bought tortillas and hello to warm, fluffy, and perfectly cooked tortillas right from your own kitchen. Number 5. Moss & Stone 8 Electric Crepe Maker. Introducing the Moss & Stone Crepe Maker. This handy appliance makes delicious crepes, tortillas, and more. It's perfect for quick breakfasts or snacks. The non-stick surface heats up in just 30 seconds. This electric crepe pan ensures even cooking every time. It's designed for convenience and speed. With its automatic temperature control, you can say goodbye to burnt crepes. This crepe maker features a simple on-off switch. It's easy to use for anyone. This compact crepe maker is perfect for any kitchen. The 8-inch surface is ideal for making perfect crepes. It's also easy to store. Cleaning up is a breeze with the non-stick surface. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth. It's designed for easy maintenance. This crepe maker comes with a dipping plate for easy batter prep. It's a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Give the gift of delicious crepes. What we like. This crepe maker is designed for convenience. Its small size makes it easy to store and use anywhere. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to make crepes, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The tortillas come out perfect. The tortillas are cooked evenly. The tortillas are heated up quickly. Number 4. Proctor Silex 13 Electric Crepe Maker. This crepe maker comes with a batter cup and spreader to help you achieve that perfect thin crepe. The included spatula makes flipping and folding crepes easy. It's designed to make your cooking experience simple and enjoyable. This versatile appliance isn't just for crepes. It doubles as a griddle, perfect for cooking eggs, pancakes, and even quesadillas. It's a great tool for any meal, from breakfast to dessert. The ready indicator light lets you know when it's time to start cooking. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, the accessories are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Enjoy restaurant-quality crepes right at home. The 13-inch cooking surface allows you to make large, delicious crepes with your favorite fillings. You can easily create amazing meals. With 8 heat levels, you can control how brown your crepes and other foods get. Use a medium setting for golden crepes or a higher setting for a crispier finish. It gives you full control over your cooking. What we like. This crepe maker offers a larger cooking surface. It comes with all the accessories you need to get started. If you enjoy making crepes for a crowd or prefer more control over your cooking, consider this one. What people say. The tortillas come out perfect. It is very easy to use. The size is perfect. Number 3. NutriChef 12-inch Electric Griddle and Crepe Maker. Making delicious crepes is now easier than ever. This electric griddle features a 12-inch cooking surface, perfect for traditional crepes. It's not just for crepes. You can also use it to cook pancakes, blintzes, eggs, and bacon. This versatile tool is great for all your breakfast favorites. Designed for easy storage and portability, this hot plate is safe for any countertop. It's perfect for any kitchen. The LED indicator lets you know when the desired temperature is reached. Adjustable temperature controls ensure even cooking every time. The non-stick surface makes food removal easy. It comes with a pastry spreader and crepe turner. These tools help you create the perfect texture and make flipping simple. What we like. This electric griddle is a versatile cooking tool. It features adjustable temperature controls for perfect results every time. If you want to make a variety of breakfast items with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. Excellent and durable. It's very practical, I loved it. This little griddle is the perfect size for a small family or apartment. It stores easily with less space and cleans easily as well. Super buena para hacer de tu buena calidad. Number 2. NutriChef 8-inch Electric Crepe Maker. This electric crepe maker helps you make evenly cooked crepes quickly for the whole family. It's also great for cooking other breakfast favorites like bacon, eggs, and pancakes. The non-stick coating makes it easy to create an even texture and flip food. It also has adjustable temperature control to ensure your meals are cooked perfectly. This portable crepe maker is stylish and perfect for your tabletop or kitchen countertop. It's also small enough for easy storage and travel. The cool touch handle ensures safe food handling. The non-stick aluminum construction makes cleaning and food removal a breeze. It's also stain resistant to prevent rust. To make breakfast preparation easier, this comes with a whisk, food bowl, and spatula. This pan-style griddle is great for cooking at a fast pace. What we like. This crepe maker is designed for ease of use. It includes a food bowl, whisk, and spatula to make your cooking experience easier. If you are looking for a simple and convenient way to make crepes and other breakfast favorites, you should consider it. What people say. The tortillas come out perfect. The tortillas are cooked evenly. The tortillas are heated up quickly. Number 1. CHENGYAN 3 Manual Combination Rolling Mill Machine. This manual rolling mill machine is an upgrade version. It's designed for jewelry making and DIY projects. It's a great tool for both professionals and hobbyists. This machine features smooth, hardened steel rolls. Half of the roll is smooth for sheet metal, and half is grooved for wire. This combination provides versatility for various jewelry making tasks. It's made with imported DC53 steel for superior deformation resistance. The gear reduction system makes it easy to use with short handles. This ensures durability and ease of use. The machine is powder coated for superior corrosion protection. This coating also enhances its appearance. This ensures the machine's longevity and aesthetic appeal. The rollers are easy to change for different applications. The grooves allow for gradual reduction of item diameter. You can form different thicknesses of square sections according to your needs. This machine is suitable for the jewelry industry and home use. Many studio jewelers use it daily. It's a reliable tool for various jewelry making processes. What we like. This manual rolling mill machine is ideal for jewelry making. It is made of high-quality materials for long-lasting use. If you are a jewelry enthusiast or professional, this is a must-have tool for your workshop. What people say. It presses thick wires for jewelry making. It's really easy to make adjustments and seems sturdy and well machined. I got the upgraded version that has DC53 steel. I have seen no marring on the rollers and the rollers seem to be good hardness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.